All right, so I'm gonna try to put these on this. So first step is pull off the bump stops. Gonna throw these in its place. See if it's that simple. There's a lot more to it, because I don't think she's gonna help much. All right, so I got everything laid out. Everything looks pretty decent. I see one possible issue. That is I have 3 bolts there. I have a bad feeling about that. Usually it seems like you should have a symmetrical, an even amount of everything, half for each side. So you don't know. All right, this will be fun. Let's see what we can do. These are 7,500 pound airbags that go on each side between the frame and the differential. It'll help take up some weight. I'm able to fill up through the air tubes onto these guys. See, these will stick through the back. Looks like a bicycle. But we're gonna do one tire at a side because I don't have the proper jack equipment, so that's how she's being held up. Should be fine. All right, here we are. The assemblies, I got them put together. So I think it's about time to put this side on first. And see how it goes. Come on, this step. All right, it's been like 4 hours. I think we're ready. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. There's the after. Hold on. Let's see. So there's the airbags up there. So got airbags on each side. Little valve in the back. We're going to pump it up. And there's our pumper upper. All right, Ian, turn on. You are pumping up this side. So see it raise. Watch the air pressure, Ian. Whoa, it goes up pretty quick. Ian, what's the air pressure at?
It's almost 70.
Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. All right, what's the air pressure?
It's going to like 62.
All right, let me check. Let's see. I don't hear no hissing. All right, do the other side. Do it to about the same spot. Hold on. Geez, this side's already up some. All right, go ahead. Do this valve. Watch it fast. Just stay over there and take it off when it gets high. Right about 60, 70. It's sitting so much higher than it was before. What are we at, about 70 or so?
No, about 60.
60? Jeez. That lifted the back end so high. Nice. All right, well, we'll screw with it later. I'm tired. Go ahead. 70 PSI.